How's it going, guys? We're doing a quick trade recap here. It's only gonna be like 2 minutes. I have to go to class pretty quick, but I made $929 this morning trading ES, and this is how I did it. So, market open was here, and we shot down a crazy amount. We jumped into this hourly fair value gap on Nasdaq. Here, there was a 15-minute fair value gap in ES here. So basically, I was like, all right, I'm gonna wait for a reaction. We had a reaction. We also swept sell side liquidity here, 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 and here, and here technically. So point of interest, internal and external sell side liquidity swept. So I was like, okay, we don't have an SMT, but we have a pretty solid reaction off that. Let me wait for an invalidated fair value gap and a break of structure. We had a break of structure here. Here. This is our break of structure. Technically, this is a break of structure, but I was waiting for this one. And then we invalidated fair value gap here. This was our invalidated fair value gap. I was like, okay, let me enter this hoe. So I actually traded ES because ES didn't have this insane fair value gap here. And because this is actually the same thing. This top here is this fair value gap here. So it's like, let me trade ES because I know this is going to hit. Nasdaq technically hit too, but I was just more confident on ES. So we set our TP here. We set our stop loss here because bottom of this fair value gap of this one here, because if market tapped in, which it did, it would shoot back up to our TP. So I'm happy with that. So we entered the trade. Market went up, it went down, went up. We candlesticked our TP, and yeah, we got out. It was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minute trade. I was looking at it for about an hour. Almost, yeah, close to half hour. I'm happy with this trade. It obviously I could have hit this, but two things on why I'm trading short, like really small trades right now, is this is a funded account. It's like in the process of becoming a funded account, so I can only make a certain amount per day or it won't count. So like I can't make over $1,500 because they'll just won't accept it. It has to be below 50% of my account a day, which is chill, whatever. $900 is good. We hit a 1.5, it's pretty solid. I actually did mark out a fair value gap down here today. I was guaranteeing it was gonna smack that shit, and it did. This is our fair value gap on Nasdaq. Sorry, not Nasdaq. Yes. I did. If I saw this, I probably wouldn't take it because one a day, you know, like we're profitable. We can't fucking be doing that. But this is a fair value gap. Crazy tap in. I marked it out. I was like, crazy tap in, and we just shot back up into just peak. This is such a good like example of how fair value gaps work. It's awesome. Anyway, that was my trading recap.